about to get my hair done. I'm so excited because you guys know that dealing with your natural hair is like such a tedious process. I got out the shower and I washed my hair, and I know people are gonna ask me what product I use on my hair. I didn't use any product, but I did use this shampoo. So the shampoo I use is the bioterra with marula oil replenishing shampoo. So I use this on my hair. You know, this is PDC brand texture by Cantu. So it is by Cantu Live-In Rinse Out Hydrating Conditioner. So I rinse this out. I don't leave it in my hair. So all I did was let my hair dry. I sat underneath my dryer and just let it dry down. I am gonna use some blow dry to really get in there. The first thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to spray my hair with the Silk Elements Olive Heat Protectant Spray. It's old and I've always used this. So I'm just gonna spray it all throughout my hair because I really love my texture and I don't want it to be broken. So I like to put the heat protectant spray because I don't want to mess up my curl patterns. I do have some like ends that I'm gonna cut. Like this one I know needs to go. And I think I have some right here, but I want it to completely grow out before I do a trim. So I am gonna be doing a trim. I try to trim my hair at least twice a year. I haven't done a trim this year because I don't trim my own hair. I like to get it professionally done because I'm very scared to do trims. Anyways, so I'm gonna be using a blow dryer to blow dry my hair. Alright, so now that I have it dried, I want to section it into, I think, 4. Sometimes there's like a lot to do it, but I have to be careful because I don't want any breakage when it comes to my hair, so I have to like be gentle with it. So let me see. I'm just gonna split it like that. When I get my hair done, this is the process that I do, just because it makes my life so much easier. But I like doing it this way because I'm able to like just do everything all at once, straighten my hair and have my hair like straightened for my stylist. So I do have a stylist coming. The hairstyles that I get my hair done majority from, so she's gonna be coming here. So I'm just gonna do that. I'm using this Verdict brush that I received. I'm setting it at 370 of the heat, and I'm just gonna run the brush through like that. I'll try to link this in the description. I'll try to find where I got it from. I've had this for years. So I'm just gonna run this through my hair. I like this better because I don't like straightening my own hair just because I get so scared and paranoid when it comes to heat damage. So I'm just gonna run the brush through. I want to try to get it as straight as I possibly can. I'm probably gonna put it at 410, so I want it to be hot. Alright y'all, so this is how my hair looks. I put on my little heat stuff because it's getting hot and steamy in here. My hair is completely dried. Hopefully I don't sweat it, but for the most part it's soft, it's dry. I can run my fingers through it and it looks so healthy and so freaking big. So I am about to actually hop on live and then I'm gonna get my hair done, but I'm gonna show you guys how my hairstylist does my hair for me and we'll go from there. But look at that, look at the healthy scalp, so freaking healthy. Let me see, I'm gonna add some. It's already backing up, oh my god. So you guys are about to see how I install my hair and how my stylist installs my hair and the entire process, and I'll show you guys the wig that I'm going to be wearing for the next couple of days. So I'll see you guys in about a second. But yeah, look at the haul. Okay guys, so my stylist Ava Angel Styles will be doing my hair. I'm gonna link her Instagram in the description down below, and I have it popped up right here for you guys to see. So she's gonna cornrow my hair straight back, and she does really neat cornrows and super flat cornrows, so when my wig goes on my head it's not bulky, because I absolutely hate the bulky look. So the wig I'm going to be using is from Cynosure. My stylist is going to be plucking the hairline so the wig can lay on my head super duper flat and unclockable. My stylist is now going to apply my bronzer color to my hairline so my wig could lay really nice and look like scalp. Also, if you're in the DFW area, Angel is actually super duper affordable. I've used her about 3 times and her prices have been consistent and it's been the same. So if you are trying to get your hair done and you're not trying to, spend too much money and break the bank, hit up Angel because her prices are definitely affordable. So Angel applies another set of the boat hold glue on my hairline. So she already put a set and now she's putting the second one, and now she's gonna apply my wig and make sure it's secured. So altogether she only applied the glue twice. So she's gonna start by tweezing the middle of my hair, and then she's gonna use the Nairobi foaming lotion to lay down the baby hair. Nairobi foaming lotion is the best one, just because it doesn't have alcohol in it. Because it doesn't have alcohol in it, it doesn't lift your lace. This is how my hair turned out to look. It looks super bomb. This hair is so nice. I'm gonna link it in the description down below. Like I said, it is from Cynosure Hair, and I'm gonna link everything in the description down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you on my next one. Bye.